So the topic name is Import Procurement Process. Import Procurement माने कौन? Import माने वर्ड जानिथिबो आगरू? अविनाश कौन? Import कौन? Export कौन?
ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ ଆମେ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଆମର ଚାକିରିରୁ ପଠଉଛେ ସେଟାକୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ କରିବା, କିଛି ଆଣିଲେ ସେଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବା। ସରି,
दीपिका कौन?
सर इंपोर्ट माने आमे जो बाहर देशरू जो भी गुड्स वगैरह जहाँ भी हमको दरकार सेटा आणुछु सेटा को इंपोर्ट कहंती।
Yes. So if you are purchasing some materials from the out of country, then it is called as the import. And if you are selling or sending some material to the out of country, that is called as the export. Okay.
एक्सपोर्ट।
So let example, you are working in the purchasing department and your company now needs to purchase some material from the out of country, right? From the globe. So what you have to do? You have to do the import procurement process. So import procurement ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ what are the steps we have to follow? So first of all there must be a material जो material ଟା ଆମେ ବାହାରୁ purchase କରିବା. So how to create a material? MM01. So then there must be a supplier जोटा ଆମେ either a business partner किंबा ଆମେ XK01 ରେ ଆମେ vendor create କରୁଛे, right? So it should be a foreign vendor, right? So vendor belongs to the foreign country. And second one we need a like a that is called as the এটা କୋଉ vendor କଣ ତ ଆମର ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ବାହାରୁ ଆସିଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କୋଉଠିକି ଆସିଥାଏ ଫରେନ୍ ଏକ୍ସଚେଞ୍ଜ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଥାଏ ଅଟା ଆସୁନି ओके देयर विल बी सम लाइक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस गोटे रही है जिते आम बाहर जो मटेरियल आनिबा ना राइट तो सेठी जाइए फास्ट आम कौन करिया से पेमेंट करने पड़ो सो दैट विल बी ऑल्सो ए वन टाइप ऑफ वेंडर कारण से आमको पेमेंट करने पड़ो सो से वेंडर गोटे दरकार सो देन आफ्टर स्टेप्स आसो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्रिएट ए परचेज ऑर्डर डायरेक्ट परचेज ऑर्डर टू ही स्टार्ट कर सो क्रिएट पीओ ME21N then do the create invoice receipt with MIRO को वेंडर कौन सेटा ओके मेंटर आसने ओके सो ये आम कौन करिया जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस थी सेटा आम जाके इनवॉइस पेमेंट करवा तापर जाके आम गुड रिसिप्ट करवा क्रिएट गुड रिसिप्ट with MIGO then after you have to do the invoice again for the foreign vendor ठीक अच्छे ये चार्टा स्टेप रही कौन इम्पोर्ट प्रोक्योरमेंट so let example I will take the previous material right so supplier is so we have to create the supplier otherwise you can use the new old supplier we'll create a foreign supplier so go for XK01 so our company code was GPIT purchase organization was GPIT and account group was GPI D. Okay, we are doing the foreign vendor. अच्छा foreign vendor group ଆମେ create କରିନେ ନା ओके ମୁଁ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ନେଇଯାଉଛି ଅଦରୱାଇଜ୍ ସो ତୁମେ ଯଦି ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଥିବ ଏଠି ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ନେବ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ସो କ୍ଲିକ୍ ଏଣ୍ଟର purchase organization is not exist right so title so this is let's start example Australian vendor right so तार lane number का दियो house number postal code 4 character रहे mostly country वाले AU region Tasmania नौची ठीक ଅଛି ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଡିଟେଲ୍ସଟା ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବ ରିକନସୋଲ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ପାଇଁ କୋଉଟା ଅଛି this is for the foreign vendor cash management group it will be A2 okay this is called as the custom vendor guys we have to create the custom vendor custom office ନା ଶୁଣିଥିବ right
ହଁ ହଁ
yes that is the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
custom vendor material ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାହାରୁ ଆସିବ ଫାଷ୍ଟ custom office ରେ ତମକୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାର ଅଛି so click enter order currency ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆ ପାଇଁ AUD terms of payment ଏତିକି ନଉଛି click enter save so this is the vendor number done so we have created the foreign vendor so then after you have to create a custom vendor and custom vendor will be domestic ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ account group ଅଛି that's why I have taken the same account group but if you have different account group you can take the different account group right and how to create the account group you all know right so click enter so this is the custom vendor line number 9 custom office ଆମର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଅଛି country ହେଇଗଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ region ହେଇଗଲା ଆମର 18 enter ହଁ କୁହ ମୁଁ କଷ୍ଟମ ଅଫିସଟା ଆମର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଅଛି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କନସିଡର କରୁଛି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ହେଲା କନସିଲ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ଅର୍ଡ଼ର କରେନ୍ସି ରହିବ INR ଟର୍ମସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ 0001 so this is the custom vendor number it is done so now go for the purchase order MI21N so put the vendor number so which supplier we have to put we have to give the like a foreign vendor number so here we have to give the foreign vendor number because हम जहाँ material purchase करें सही vendor number ही एठी दबा then put the purchase organization purchase group and company code then put the item details put here the material number material number, quantity, how much quantity you are ordering. Let example, we are ordering for the 1000 quantity or 10,000 quantity. Delivered is this one. Is quantity, let example 5000 केते AUD कारण एटा हमें फॉरेन वेंडर नै छै, सो AUD रे हमको पेमेंट करियार अछि 50 AUD, let example unknown caller. Then put the plant was GPI 1 and the storage location was 1000. Okay, it is fine. So now what we have to do, we have to put the custom charges, custom vendor charges पे हमको पेमेंट करियार अछि. So go for the condition tab. In condition tab you can add on the freight charges. So freight charges जोटा हमर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन खर्च का जेमिति, similarly custom charges टा को भी हमें ओना freight charges हिसाब रे भी नहीं परिबा. So for example I will take as freight value हिसाब रे नहीं जाउची. So एटा हमरो केते AUD आसीबो माने करो टोटल 10 AUD हमको पेमेंट करियार अछि गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस रे, राइट. सो ए फ्रेट चार्जेस टा को कौन करी, एटा को हमको आउट वेंडर को दबार अछि हमर कस्टम वेंडर को. So what I can do, I just select the line item, then go for the condition. Sorry, select the line item, then go for the condition details. Go for the condition details and put here the foreign vendor number. Sorry, custom vendor number. So custom vendor number is this one, right? So then this one, click enter, go back and click on check. Now continue, click on save. So this is the purchase order number. बुझा पड़े जाएंगे.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
So purchase order पर हम
ଆଜ୍ଞା
कौन
ସାର୍।
होता है, invoice करिबा for the custom vendor. Go for the MIRO. So go for the invoice, put it the today's date. Allah posting period is this one. Okay. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ମାସ start ହେଲା, so that we have to change the posting period. Tcode is MMPV. Company code was this one and currently it is going on 11/2025. So click on this, click on execute. It is fine, right? So now what you have to do, just check the tax code once whether it is fine or not. Go for the position, tax procedure is fine. Go for the invoice now, put the today's date. Tax code के डिलीट कर दीजिए ना, डिटेन tax code आसुची. and tax code create करना थले करते हैं ना, FTXV tax code वाला रुपये 18%. It is not coming here. Okay. चलो ये tax code हमें नहीं थी अभी भाई. Put here the purchase order number. कौन लिखला, purchase document is not released. our purchase order release status activate अछि ME 29N को जाकी approve करो. go to release strategy, display change. Now the document is released. Go for the MIRO. Put the purchase order number. Now it is fine. So ଏଠି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? Okay, ଆମେ କାହାକୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା? କଷ୍ଟମ ଭେଣ୍ଡରକୁ. So go for this one once. So choose here the we'll do the invoice for the custom vendor. That means that will be the planned delivery cost. ଏଠି ଆସିଗଲା custom vendor. So କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବାର ଅଛି? ଏଠି ତମର ଏଠି AUD ଆସୁଛି, ବଟ୍ ଆମକୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଭେଣ୍ଡରକୁ ଆମେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଦେବା? INR ଦେବା। ତ ଏଇଟା କେମିତି
INR.
ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କର? ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରେ ହିଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବ। MIRO ଇନଭଏସ୍ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅ, ଏଠି ଏବେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ INR। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଆଉ ଯେତିକି ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ବି ଥିବ ସେଇଟା ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଦେବ। ଏଠି ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କୋଡ଼ଟା ବି ତ ଆସୁନି, ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ପରେ ଦେଖିବା। So then put the କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବାର ଅଛି? ମାନେ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବାର ଅଛି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଆମେ କେତେ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଅର୍ଡ଼ର କରୁଛେ? 10,000 କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଅର୍ଡ଼ର କରୁଛେ। So put the baseline date. Baseline date is today's date. Basic data. That is fine. Simulate and post. ठीक है, इनवॉइस पोस्ट होगा। तापर आम कौन करें? तापर जाके आम गुड रिसीव करिया। वंस आम कस्टम वेंडर रे कस्टम ऑफिस रे आम पेमेंट करनबा, तापर जाके आम कंपनी प्रीमिसेस को मटेरियल पठेबो के कस्टम ऑफिस वाला। तापर आम मटेरियल को रिसीव कर परिबा। सो purchase order, go for the item, okay, click on check, then click on post. Now good receive done, then you can go for the invoice for the foreign vendor. So do the invoice again. So see, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡରକୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା, ହିୟର ଦ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି 0% ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, କାରଣ ଫରେନ୍ ଭେଣ୍ଡରକୁ କେବେ ହେଲେ ଆମର ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଦିଆଯାଏ ନାହିଁ, ସେଟା 0% ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍ ଲାଗିବ। ତ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସଟା ଆମର କେତେ? 0% ରହିବ। ଆମେ କେବଳ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ହିଁ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଦେବା, ରାଇଟ୍? So ଏଠି କିଛି ଆସୁନି। So now what you have to do, put the baseline date once, go for more allocation. So here choose the good received price, click on check, click on adopt. Now the amount is coming in AUD, right? Basic data, so tax code, then copy the amount, right? Click on simulate, and click on post. Usual. So these are the steps for the import procurement process. So import procurement को नहीं कि किसी क्वेश्चन आसले तुम कहियो, custom vendor and